in the beginning, in the beginning.
Yeah, but when you're going to spit fire.
Yo, we outside. Good morning. It's another day. So word, got my boy Benzo, the clean G out here. This is one of the cleanest G's in New York. If you already know, y'all know. But today is another yearly event. Today is Intrack's Cars and Doubles 3. So this is year 3 of this event, and we both cleaning up our cars to get ready to pour it out there. Damn, what time is it? It is 10:34. We was been supposed to be up there. We are now washing the cars. We're probably not gonna get there until friggin' 11:30, 12 o'clock, but let's hurry, see if we could run this up and get the fuck out of here. Yo, why he got a school breakfast in his hand? You got a schoolie in your hand, bro. Nah, you are a wicked youth, bro. With the ensure, nah, your stomach is gonna be on tilt. Nah, he got the schoolie cereal with an yo, chat. Yo, chat, tap in, bro. Nah, you see, even the bees know what's up, nigga. Yo, don't be hungry, bro. Yo, it's about to be like 12 o'clock. We just finished washing the cars. Both cars ready. We ready to be active, get on the road, and see how much of the shit that we miss. Yo, we always late to every event. Why we always late to every event, bro?
Why not? At this point.
Nigga said, why not? Yeah, it's all right. It's in our melanin. It's all right. He said 80 is too much. Just got air in the tires. We're about to start forwarding our way over there.
Anything for the shot. If y'all gang's not like that, then I don't know what to tell y'all.
You hate getting money regardless. My brothers, they gon' love me regardless. Not a rapper, you gon' call me an artist. Veteran, can I move like a novice? Tough spot, got me weighing the options. Get the bread and I make a deposit. If she want it, then you know I'ma cop it. For the fam, I turn into a monster. For the fam, I turn into a beast. All these motherfuckers in the fake love make it hard for a nigga to sleep. Make it hard for a nigga to eat. Don't know who the fuck is real, gotta watch your back when you stay in the street. Some niggas not playing, some niggas frauding, aka sweet. Some niggas shooters, don't test them. But the aim is elite, they spin your block, better duck, fuck around. And you losing your teeth, if they miss, they gon' spin again. Let the chop dump, I'll repeat. Throw them in the gutter, vultures get their supper. Ain't no fucking love in the street. Mothers crying while their grandmother weep. Sent to God, now your soul you could keep. Feeling froggy in the day you delete. Starve of the talking, that talk shit is cheap. If you not my shorty, can't get shit from me. No sir, can't get shit for free. Taxing the game cause I'm worth every fee.
We made it. One piece parked up. It's a lobby out here, can't even front. It is a lobby.
You hate getting money regardless. My brothers, they gon' love me regardless. Not a rapper, you gon' call me an artist. Veteran, can I move like a novice? Tough spot, got me weighing the options. Get the bread and I make a deposit. If she want it, then you know I'ma cop it. For the fam, I turn into a...
Oh, nah, he's dusty with it. Whew. Rich niggas. Rich niggas. I want to be like him when I get older.
You know what? I'm not doing this. And I just turned around and walked out.
Outside having a good time. We got the whole gang outside. I think everybody know what we all waiting for. We waiting for the exits. Fix this shit. We waiting for the exits. Ain't nobody really start exiting yet. The E36 Ti, you know, he did his thing, but waiting for niggas to start turning up for real. At the friggin' truck across the street for your doubles. I think we about to go get McDonald's though. I don't even know what the vibe is. We gonna figure it out.
Fully active.
Fully active. I don't know what else is, we fake, because we came to a shop event and none of us have gone over to the shop across the street to go see the vibes. We just been out here nah bro, it's like a whole mini car show going on over here. We pre-ing the vibes out here. Yes. Finally made it to the action, only for food though. They greedy.
Phone nigga, you could call me Ramon. If you ain't gang, I can pick up the phone. If you ain't gang, leave your name at the tone. Getting money, sure to get on my phone. Head bust off the weed and Patron. When I'm focused, I can get in my zone. When I'm frost, I get high as a drone. Getting fly, might caught me some blown. Or some Louis, or some Gucci. Money make bitches pop the coochie. I just roll a doobie. She attracted to me, vibing in the spot. Watching that shake, make you double take. Pull up in the spot like I'm Bill Gates. I hit pussy talking save to my face. I don't take no shit, that's my mama's trait. Don't ask for shit, cause these niggas baits. Need tour dates in every state. State your business, don't leave no witness. People talk, don't catch a sentence. But silence stops all the consequences. So shut your mouth, don't say a word. Them shooters bust guns without a word. Shake it, baby, I don't like it stirred. Cross faded, got my vision blurred. Seeing double and I'm talking funny. Hating, got my words being spoken slurred. She was talking me, being nasty, but I never.
Yeah, what you saying? Taking it. This is Bill, that's what he wants. Smack, brother. Smack. Nah, this shit is hard. Pinch, car breakdown, need something, call my boy Handsome, pull up on the spot. Pulled up, see my boy working, little action going on outside on the highway. My boy out here fixing customer car at the meet. Like, it don't get no better than that, but y'all already get the vibes. Soon tune in for more live action. So everything is basically over. Intrack, thank you for throwing a great event as y'all do every year. Everybody came out, was able to enjoy the vibes, get some doubles. It was a good event. We at the gas station now. I'm getting gas. We about to head back to Brooklyn. And finna end this day off, bro. This is a calm little vibe. A day in, what be going on. If anything else, I'll pick back up the camera to find out the video. Yeah, but if anything, I'll pick back up the camera before I end the video. Close it out properly. And then 93. It was a good day. It was a good day. The whole family confused. They confused. They don't know what's going on. You too.
Tires, bro.
Appreciate you. Oh shit, nah, I need a light. It's dark. If it's not one thing, it's the other. We made it back to the hood safely, thank God. But I don't know if y'all can hear that. Let me see if y'all can see that. Can I see that? Oh yeah, look, it's right there. You see it? On the camera? Crouch, nigga.
Oh my god, that's a gas, bro. What happened? That gas is crazy.
As y'all can see, tire is cooked. Gotta go get another tire. And this nigga pulls up, bro. Yo, tell this, yo, he need a swap. He need a swap. He need a swap. Y'all hear this? Nah, he need a swap, but got the jack out. Of course, one thing after the other. About to pull the tire off, go to the tire shop real quick, get a new tire. Bullshit. It's always something. Bro, tire is still fresh, bro. Like, this is still a fresh tire. What the F? Just made it to the tire shop. Dropped off the tire real quick. About to go look about some food. Camera life. Spent $100. Just like that. Gone. It's alright though. So after a long night, finally we've made it back home. Car is parked up, tire is changed, and we are all good to go. It was a great day. I can't even front. I had a good time out with the boys, chilling today or whatever. At Intrack, as I said. Always a vibe being outside with the boys. Car is parked up and looking clean. But with the power of editing magic, has to get comfortable. Today was a long day. I'm tired. I had to spend another $100 on a tire. But I knew what I signed up for when I went camera life, and I had fun today regardless. Like, today was a good day, as I said. Like, I'll show you a little sneak peek of my setup. PC, PS5, running a little 2K before I go my black behind to bed tonight, because I'm tired, son. But if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. More content is on the way. Turn on the post notifications so you get notifications for when I post the next video. Follow my Instagram if you're not. The link is going to be in the bios of my page. And I will be streaming, as you see. I got a little something going on. So the link to my secondary channel where I'll be streaming at is going to be in the bio too. So thanks again for watching. See y'all later. I am out of here. Deuces.